Hey everyone, this is Ian with AlphaCars and Motorcycles. Today we're taking a look at a very cool product we sell, which is the hazard warning flasher kit for your Ural. It's a custom harness we make, which adds functionality to add hazard warning flashers to your Ural, which uses a switch that gets mounted on your dash like so. So in this video, we're going to take a detailed look at how they operate on the Ural and take a look at that custom harness that we make, as I said. We sell this on our e-store. We can ship it right to your door, so definitely check that out. It'll be linked in the video and in the description. So now let's take a closer look at this kit together. So first, I may say, if you find any of the other accessories on this highly customized Ural interesting, definitely take a look at the description of this video. They'll all be linked there, so you can take a look at them for yourself on the e-store. I'll mention a few of them. We have fork-mounted LED driving lights. We have a sidecar fender-mounted LED driving light. We have a hand shifter for all the forward gears and reverse. There's hand guards. There's this retro-style number plate that goes on the front fender. Lots of really, really cool things to customize your Ural. But now let's get back to the subject of this video, which is the hazard warning light flasher kit. So it utilizes, we'll utilize this switch right here. It does come with it, and it is a very nice, high quality waterproof switch. We can see it has this rubber kind of jacket on it. So all we do, we don't even need the key on. All we do is flick that on, and you can actually see in the factory gauge cluster, if I can get a good angle for you in the lighting, it uses the factory light for them as well, so that's really cool. So now just taking a look around the bike, we can see they are flashing at kind of the normal speed that you would expect, not too fast like something's wrong or too slow. So this is just such a safe feature to add to your Ural. So then, you know, you're in a location where you just want to be seen, or the bike's sitting, or unfortunately, if you are in an emergency or a breakdown situation, it's just a very, very safe thing to have at your disposal when you may need it. So now that we've seen it installed on the machine, we've seen how it operates, let's take a close look at that harness itself that we make, and we can see really the design and the quality behind it. I've taken a harness out of the package so we can get a close look at it, you know, not installed on the bike. So just taking a look now, we can see our fuse holder, nice high quality waterproof switch. Just listen to this switch. It's a very satisfying switch to use, and you just know this thing's gonna last. And it's really gonna have a low chance of failing with how heavy duty that is. So that's very nice as well, something I really appreciate. All the wires are pretty stiff and a nice thick gauge. The wires are very high quality, which you can just tell from handling this kit. And we have all of our taps, so the installation is going to be very easy and straightforward, especially with the instructions we have that are included with these kits. You'll get printed step-by-step instructions. And with this kit, if you are interested in watching a video on how to install this, there will be a video linked in this video and in the description. So definitely take a look at that if you'd rather, watch the installation than read it and go step by step by yourself. And people have great reviews on these harness kits. They really love the functionality and the hazards option to use it with the ignition on or off on their Urals. So speaking of that, you can see those on our online store. Now we're going to take a look at the online store and check out just how we can purchase one of these kits and have them shipped to our door.
Here's the listing on our AlphaCars online store. You'll find it's very easy to navigate with its straightforward and modern layout. At the top of the listing here, we have current pricing, this being accurate at the time of filming. Then we can see any reviews people have left. This is a very popular item we sell on our store. People love this for their Urals, as you've seen in the first part of this video. Below that, we have a feature we're very proud to offer, which is the option to show the full cost with installation here at AlphaCars. So we just click this box and it adds our installation labor if you were to have this installed here at AlphaCars on your Ural. So this is a very convenient and time-saving feature when trying to calculate all the costs involved with a particular product. And little to no other online retailers offer this function. Moving below, we have a nice photo gallery, some nice clear up-close photos of the high-quality components in this custom harness we make. And then we have a detailed description. This has features, specifications, vehicle fitment notes, installation instructions if they're available. And we have already some older videos on this with some of the installation as well, a couple of them. So definitely check those out if you're tackling this yourself. So now that you're familiar with the product and where to get it, I'll give some final comments.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope now you're well informed about our hazard warning light flasher kit. I'm going to turn them on just one more time for you because the switch is just so satisfying to use. It's such a high quality piece of kit. So like I said earlier in this video, check out the e-store. We can ship this right to your door. It's all linked in this video and in the description. So please leave a like, consider subscribing so you don't miss any of the latest cars, bikes, and accessories we have to offer here at AlphaCars. And this has been Ian reporting from our Boxborough location. And until next time.